Okay, see if we can do it again. Say this isn't this active as flying. Yeah.
Oh, just lift the rod up on him and hit him again, Kelly. Hit him again. There you go. Okay, now get ready for the fight.
Hi, I'm Kelly Watt.
And I'm Jim Watt. Welcome to Fly Fishing Adventures.
And Alaska. Bears and fish are the theme of this episode.
On the wild Alagnak River, king salmon, sockeye, and chums, plus rainbows and grayling.
With a side trip to Katmai National Park's famous Brooks Falls.
Plus a little retrospective of Katmai National Park in the early 80s.
Shortly after it became a national park. The wild Alagnak is here on the Alaska Peninsula, beginning in Kukaklik Lake, meandering west for over 60 miles, joining the Kvichak River, which then flows into the Bering Sea. Anglers from all over the world are here in pursuit of all 5 species of salmon, plus rainbow trout, char, and grayling. You can float the river, camping as you go, or there are several lodges along the Alagnak. Jim and I have been fishing here since the mid-80s, and our choice is Katmai Lodge, which in our opinion has the perfect location right in the middle of the best fishing.
Trout in both directions from the lodge, or in this case, 1 minute away, which is where we started on the afternoon we arrived. Our guide is Josh Moody.
Off the bow.
Okie doke.
And we're going to be fishing this channel over here.
Okay.
If you want to wade out, probably just up to your knees over in that direction. It's all sand, might be a little soft, but
Okie doke.
nice cast. Yeah, if you do get a fish to pick that up, just try and keep the fly in that area.
Okay.
A lot of times they'll peck at it 2, 3, 4 times. And wait till you really feel them on there before you bring the rod up for a hook set.
Okay.